Integrating Salesforce CTI with RingQ. Integrating Salesforce CTI with RingQ allows your agents to seamlessly access all customer information while managing calls with RingQ from a single dashboard. Log into the RingQ web app using your credentials. Once logged in, click on the Show Side Menu button in the top left corner of your dashboard to reveal the side menu. Next, locate and click on the Settings option. Then click the drop-down button next to Settings to view additional options, selecting Global from the list. Within the Global Settings section, find and click on Integrations to manage third-party connections. Under the Integrations menu, navigate to CTI and select Salesforce from the available options. Fill out your details, your Salesforce username and password, and the client ID and client secret. These can be obtained through your Salesforce account settings. More on how to obtain these is covered later on. The URL field will be automatically generated by the system. When configuring the contact lookup order, you need to decide how the system should prioritize contact categories when searching for a record. Options include a variety of combinations like contacts, leads, accounts, or leads, contacts, accounts. Similarly, in the contact form order, you will choose which form should appear when a new caller contacts the system, with options for contacts, leads, or accounts. Next, you'll configure call journaling by clicking the Call Journaling button. This will redirect you to a page where you can enable or disable the feature. Call journaling logs phone calls and saves records of all activities. Similarly, for contact creation, you'll click the Contact Creation button, which allows you to add a new record to the system when an unknown number calls. The process for adding contacts will depend on the contact form order you set up earlier. Once all required fields are completed, click Save to finalize your settings. Obtaining your client ID and client secret. Log into Salesforce, click on your settings icon in the top right corner, and select Setup. In the Setup menu, search for App Manager and click on it under the Apps section. Find the connected app you created, example RingQ, and click the drop-down next to it, selecting View. Scroll to the API, Enable OAuth Settings section, where you'll find the consumer key. This is your client ID for RingQ, and the consumer secret. After verifying your identity via a code sent to your registered email, you can copy both the client ID and client secret, and paste them into the respective fields in the RingQ integration form. Next, copy your Salesforce URL from your Salesforce account, and paste it into the URL field in the RingQ form. Double-check all entered details for accuracy. Then click Save to finalize the integration. Your Salesforce CTI integration with RingQ is now active, allowing you to manage customer interactions, access real-time data, and streamline your workflows with enhanced communication tools.